Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the Audeze LCD series. The Audeze LCD earpads by Dekoni Audio fit models like the LCD2, LCD3, LCD4, LCD-X, and LCD-GX. The Dekoni LCD pads do not fit models like the LCD5, the MM100, or the MM500. The main difference between the two earpads is that the MM500 LCD5 and MM100 pads are 100mm, and the LCD series standard is 110mm in diameter. Part of enhancing satisfaction with our earpads is that Dekoni now includes Audeze felt rings. This new attachment method allows air pressure to diffuse when you put the headphones on your head. This reduces driver crinkle, which can cause deformities in your planar diaphragm. Let's jump into how to install your earpads for the Audeze LCD series, presented by Dekoni Audio.